Hello. Hello guys, what's over there? So today we're going to play Fairy Hailing Tower. So otherwise guys, if on this video channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So okay. So you can just join me. Join me. Okay. You know what? I'm going to play myself again.
Non-variable.
Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna fall I guess. So anyways, let's go beat that entire game guys. Let's go beat that game. What's that? Beat this. I wanted to beat this one. So instead, I need to. Why is lagging? Oops, this is the pro. I think this is a pro, guys. Okay, be careful. Be careful, guys. Oops, be careful, guys. Okay, let me just beat that game. Also, there's so many laser in there. So this one is harder than the use is. But to get her, before I need to beat that game. No. Oops, yes. Oops. Be careful. Be careful. Be
Okay.
careful.
No one
Yes.
else.
Yes. I know. Oh my god, I need to beat this. Oops. 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 This one is the laser. Because it's gonna be hard. Harder than you use it, I guess.
I become.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I am at the top. I'm at the top, guys. Oh my god.
Let's go
I'm.
upstairs.
Why do I keep lagging, guys? Why do I keep lagging? Why do I keep. What's that? Abby?
Earphone?
Abby? It's all Abby. Where is it? What's that? I'm at the top, guys. Okay, the top. Let me just beat that game, guys. Okay, okay. 2 minutes more. Okay. No. Oops. 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 Yes, I beat it. I beat it now. This first time. Be careful, guys. Okay. Oops. What's that?
Only
Girl
the
head?
two of us.
Oh, girl. Oops. Oops. Be careful. Be careful, guys. Be careful. We need to beat the Fairy Lake Tower. Okay, calm. Bro, why do I keep lagging? Oops, why does girl always come here? Oh, I should have beat that game. Oh,
No.
what happened? What happened? Oh,
No.
someone steal your money.
No.
This, okay. Oh, oh, oh. No, no, no. Oh, oh, oh no, we're almost
Only
there,
the
guys.
two of us.
Oh, 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 guys. Oh my god. Oh, oh, we're going to beat it, guys. I think we're almost there. We're almost there in the top, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Also, the heart is be careful because this one's easy.
Ganun kasi
Yes!
na ano, doon.
Low! Yay! I beat that game, guys. Let's go fall. Wow, guys. Thank you for watching. So, goodbye, guys.